Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am going to be making this banana pancake. And so I did get inspiration from Preppy Kitchen. I'm doubling his recipe basically and using what I have in my pantry already. The only thing I needed to buy was milk because I was going to use the last little bit, and bananas because I never keep bananas on hand. I think that was it. Yeah, I think that was it. Anyways, so you're going to melt down like 3 tablespoons of butter, which I did 6 tablespoons butter because I'm doubling this recipe. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Using I'm going to do 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Like I said, I'm doubling the recipe from Preppy Kitchen. I will have that in my description box below in case you want to go over there and check his video out, because that's basically what I got inspired from for this recipe. But yeah, the only thing I needed to get was like milk and bananas from the store. So if you have like most of the ingredients, you don't have to think about, what can I make. Oh yeah, and the bananas, so I use 4 bananas, not very ripe mushy bananas. I didn't have those. And like I said, I bought them and they was green. So he also shared this trick, and you can put it in the oven for like 350 for like 10 minutes. And you should get some good mushy bananas. Mine took 20 minutes. So yeah, but I let it cool off for like 10 minutes. And then I started mushing them down because you need mushy bananas in this. And that's part of our wet ingredients. And I did do 2 eggs since I'm doubling it. And I'm going to use 1 cup of milk. 2 cups of milk. And that was another thing that I just needed a tad more milk. I could have got away with what I already had. But milk, you need milk in your pantry at all times. So... And then I used 2 teaspoons of vanilla. This is optional, so he said, and he might be right. And I think if you wanted to use more banana and cut out the sugar, you could do that too. He says something about that, but this is the first time I've ever really actually made good pancakes. So, but yeah, I got all the ingredients in there. The wet ingredients, again, was 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 bananas, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. All of the ingredients will be in my description box below. I'll put his recipe, so it'll be double his recipe. So, yeah. And let's see, I am buttering off this pan now. And I have it on a low, like mine goes 1 to 10 on my oven or my stovetop. So, and I put it on 4, so it's really low. And I let it heat up for like 2 minutes, maybe more, where I could feel it and the butter was melted. And then instead of like his instructions, he used a 1/3 cup measuring thing to put his pancakes, but I like bigger pancakes, so I used a 1/2 cup. And he said that it would take 2 minutes per side pretty much, but of course the second side always gets done faster. So, and mine was bigger, so it first started off like 3 or 4 minutes on the first side, but then after the first or second pancake, it kind of went to 2 minutes on one side and then a minute on the other. And that was good. I hope this helps you because, like I said, this is my first time making good pancakes. And I kind of want to make blueberry pancakes just because my husband prefers blueberries. I think I'm the only banana fan in this house, actually. So, you know, my taste buds are different from my kids. But yeah, I loved, sorry about the background, I'm outside. I love these pancakes, how they turned out. As you can see, it's not the prettiest in the world, but it's okay. It was good. I'm not going to give up on my pancake journey. I'm going to try it again. So, I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it's still good. You don't have to have pretty pancakes as long as they taste good, right? It just really reminds me of like IHOP. But I never get to go into IHOP anymore because it's so freaking busy. It seems like the only time we ever want to go there is when, you know, it's like after church time. So literally in Alabama, don't even try to go to IHOP Sundays after church time because you're not getting in there. Not around the Oxford area anyways. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my banana pancakes. And I will see you next. Oh, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'll see you next time, buddies. Bye.